Hi there, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate. Today I want to talk about a pain point that we solve through what I call remarkable responsibility. And here's what I mean by that. Since 2012, we've completed literally hundreds of kitchen and bathroom remodels. In fact, by the time you're watching this video, we've likely crested the 1,000 remodel mark and are on our way, of course, to 2,000. And what remarkable responsibility means to us, it's really quite simple. In our communities where we do work, where we do jobs, we never want to leave a project or a customer in a situation where we're embarrassed to see them out and about at the grocery store or at a restaurant. We want to leave all of our customers in a situation where if we run into each other down the road, we can come up to each other, have a good conversation, catch up on life, and really not have any lingering resentment or any type of ill will with customers. And I just don't think that's a common sentiment for my industry. I think there's a lot of contractors out there that leave jobs in such a way that, quite frankly, they hope they don't run into their customers again. And that's just not the way we do things. What we're trying to do around here is we're trying to do what we call play the long game. And what I mean by that is we're building a company here not for 5 years or not for 10 years, but for 50 years and beyond. And what that means is, quite frankly, we need to take incredible responsibility for our projects. And what that means is we need to leave you, our customer, with an exceptional feeling at the end of the job. And that's what we shoot for each and every project. Thank you so much.